Hi guys, this is Bhavya and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be sharing the famous Kareena Kapoor homemade recipe which has been doing rounds on internet ever since she has posted about it. So basically her friend Nisha is the mind behind the recipe, and Nisha has also shared the detailed recipe on her account. So I went through it and I found it very interesting, so I thought why not I try and make a video on it. So you do not need much ingredients in this recipe. All you need is some turmeric powder, sandalwood powder, milk and vitamin E. This mask is really easy. I haven't tried it before, but I am really fascinated to try it, and I think it's going to be really easy to make. The ingredients are also easily available in the market. So let's begin. So first I'm going to take 2 spoons of sandalwood powder. Next I'll be taking a pinch of turmeric. For vitamin E, I have taken this vitamin E capsule and I'm going to pierce it with a pin. 1, 2. Next, I'll be taking some milk. 2 spoons of milk. So this is how the face pack looks like when it's on, and I'm gonna keep it for 20 minutes and come back to you guys. Alright guys, I took off the mask and this is how my face looks like. It is absolutely glowing and clean. It feels radiant and fresh and absolutely camera ready. I think it's going to be great for combination and oily skin. For dry skin category, you might feel a little dry after taking off the mask because I'm feeling a little tight on my face, but I'll fix it up with a moisturizer. So yeah, I'm really happy with this recipe. Thank you so much Nisha and Kareena Kapoor Khan for sharing this with us, and I'm sure all of you girls will try this out and enjoy and love it as much as I do. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.